Welcome back. In our exploration of the enduring power of human skills in Module 5, we've taken deep dives into creativity and innovation, and critical thinking and complex problem solving. These focus heavily on our cognitive abilities. Now, in Lecture 5.4, we shift our focus to a set of skills that are fundamentally about human connection and interaction, emotional intelligence, empathy, and collaboration. In an era where AI can process vast amounts of data and automate complex tasks, it might seem like soft skills are less important. But the reality is the opposite. As AI handles more data-driven and routine tasks, the value of uniquely human interpersonal skills is significantly increasing. AI operates on data. Humans operate on relationships, understanding, and shared purpose. Let's start with emotional intelligence and empathy. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand, use, and manage your own emotions in positive ways to relieve stress, communicate effectively, empathize with others, overcome challenges, and diffuse conflict. It's about self-awareness, self-regulation, social awareness, and relationship management. Empathy is a key component of emotional intelligence. It's the ability to understand and share the feelings of another person, to truly put yourself in someone else's shoes and understand their perspective, needs, and emotions. Why are human emotional intelligence and empathy irreplaceable alongside AI? Firstly, and perhaps most obviously, for building relationships, trust, and rapport. Human interaction in the workplace, in sales, in leadership, and in daily life is built on trust and connection. AI systems lacking genuine emotions or consciousness cannot build trust or rapport in the human sense. You can interact with a chatbot, but you form a trusting relationship with a human colleague, manager, or customer service agent. Roles that rely heavily on building and maintaining relationships are fundamentally human-centered. Secondly, for navigating complex interpersonal dynamics. Human interactions are incredibly nuanced. They involve not just the words spoken, but tone of voice, body language, cultural context, and unspoken feelings that AI cannot fully grasp or respond to authentically. Handling delicate conversations, resolving disagreements, providing feedback, and motivating teams require a level of emotional intelligence that is uniquely human. Thirdly, for providing genuine care and support. Many vital roles in society are centered around caring for others: nurses, therapists, teachers, counselors, social workers, caregivers. These roles require not just technical knowledge, but deep empathy, compassion, and the ability to connect with people on an emotional level. AI can provide information or automate administrative tasks in these fields, but it cannot provide the human touch, the emotional support, or the genuine understanding that is essential for healing, learning, and well-being. Fourthly, for understanding complex human needs and motivations. AI can analyze data about what people do, but it doesn't understand why they do it at a fundamental human level: their hopes, fears, desires, values, and psychological drivers. Empathy allows humans to understand the underlying needs and motivations of others, which is crucial for identifying real problems, developing effective solutions that resonate with people, and providing truly helpful service. Fifthly, for handling conflict, negotiation, and mediation. Resolving disagreements, negotiating outcomes, and mediating conflicts require understanding the emotional landscape of the situation, building empathy between parties, and finding solutions that address human concerns and relationships, not just logical points. These are skills deeply rooted in emotional intelligence and are far beyond current AI capabilities. Now, let's look at collaboration. While AI can be a powerful tool for collaboration between humans, sharing information, coordinating tasks, true collaborative effort between humans remains a critical skill in the AI era. Why is effective human-human collaboration still crucial? Firstly, for integrating diverse skills and perspectives, including human plus AI. Complex projects and problem solving in the AI age require bringing together people with different expertise, including those skilled in leveraging specific AI tools. Collaboration allows these individuals, augmented by their AI tools, to combine their knowledge, perspectives, and capabilities effectively to achieve a shared goal. It's about teamwork in a world where team members might also be working with intelligent assistants. Secondly, for brainstorming, collective creativity and innovation. While AI can assist individual brainstorming, collaborative brainstorming sessions between humans leverage shared experiences, diverse backgrounds, and spontaneous interactions to generate ideas in ways that go beyond AI's pattern matching capabilities. Innovation often emerges from the cross-pollination of ideas within a collaborative human environment. Thirdly, for building consensus, trust, and team cohesion. Effective teams are built on trust, communication, and the ability to work together towards a common goal. This requires interpersonal skills, mutual respect, and the ability to build consensus through discussion and understanding, not just data analysis. AI cannot build team spirit or resolve interpersonal tensions. Fourthly, for oversight and ethical deliberation in teams. As AI systems are integrated into team workflows, the team as a whole is responsible for overseeing the AI, evaluating its performance, and discussing its outputs. Crucially, collaboratively debating and deciding on the ethical implications of how AI is used within a team or project requires open communication, diverse perspectives, and collective ethical judgment, all of which are forms of human collaboration. In the AI-augmented workplace, roles that require high levels of emotional intelligence, empathy, and effective human-human collaboration are likely to become increasingly valuable. AI might handle data analysis or generate initial communications, but human workers are needed to lead teams, build client relationships, mentor colleagues, navigate organizational politics, provide compassionate care, and solve problems that require understanding human motivations and dynamics. Developing your emotional intelligence means practicing self-awareness, learning to manage your reactions, actively listening to others, practicing empathy, and improving your communication and conflict resolution skills. Becoming a better collaborator involves practicing effective communication, learning to work effectively in teams, contributing constructively, and building trust with colleagues. These interpersonal skills are fundamental to leadership, teamwork, customer-facing roles, and any profession that involves significant human interaction. They are skills that AI, in its current form, simply cannot replicate, making them enduringly powerful in the AI era. Understanding the importance of emotional intelligence, empathy, and collaboration leads us to our next deep dive, which is closely related to human judgment. In our next lecture, 5.5, we will explore ethical judgment and decision-making. Thank you for joining me for this look at interpersonal skills. I look forward to exploring ethical judgment with you in the next lecture. Enjoyed the video? Want to stay up to date with the latest GMP insights and guidance? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons more helpful content coming your way. Hit that subscribe button and join the GMP Guide community.